Good morning from Utah, reporting live with Joshua. All right, let's kick off this Utah vlog. We arrived here yesterday to Salt Lake City, rented a car, which is like this most beautiful, insane car. We booked a compact car, but they didn't have one left, so they're like, I'll just pick any of the ones in this row, and it ended up being this like amazing Dodge car. I'll show you in a minute, but yeah, and then we drove 4 hours down to Moab, I think. Spent the evening stargazing, which was so insane. We took some amazing pictures of the Milky Way, which I'll include here. And yeah, today's our first day. We're gonna drive to Arches, do a few hikes, and stargaze in the evening again. So it should be super beautiful. I'm super excited. Anything you'd like to add, my darling?
We're really excited. It's our first national park that we're going to hit today.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can do like 1 or 2 hikes.
Yes.
We'll keep you guys posted.
Joshua is master of the hike organization.
No, let's see how much I fuck up. That's gonna be funny.
It'll be fun. Honestly, the views are beautiful wherever we go, so
yeah.
it'll be great.
Did you show the views outside the window?
Oh yeah,
like
we have a little, it's
right
like
there.
a desert. It's truly, we're literally in the middle of a desert. It's beautiful. All right, gonna check in once we're in the car on the hike. I hope you enjoyed this Utah vlog. Ciao! Alright, first hike of the day is going to be either the Delicate Arches Trail or something. What is that? Tower Trail, right?
Well, yeah, just head over to the park first.
Yes. Would you be so kind and navigate?
Yes.
Perfect thumbnail. Okay, we've made it almost up to Delicate Arches. We already see the arch, but before it gets crowded, taking some content.
Can we see it?
It's right there, babe.
Where?
Oh.
Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
Alright, we just finished the Delicate Arch Trail, which was really nice, having a quick car snack, and drove all the way up the most northern point of the Arches Drive, which is called Devil's Point, I think. Yeah, and then we'll have a little walkie here.
We'll attempt trail number 2.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop. We're at the tip of the highest point that you can go, and this view is insane. There goes my baby. What in the planet Naboo? Good morning, welcome to day 2. We are on the way to Bryce Canyon today, and we just made a pit stop at this insane view. It honestly feels like we are like on Mars or something. Like, this is how the earth is in its beautiful natural way, you know, like it's nothing touched by man except obviously the roads, but it's crazy. This is like planet Earth. Alright, we are going to continue towards Bryce. I think we have another like 2 hours on the road, and then we're first stopping at a coffee shop and then getting to Bryce and checking into our hotel. So let the road trip continue. Good morning from Bryce Canyon. We are back here. Last night we came here to do some stargazing, which was insane. I'll insert some pictures from that here. We are now doing the hike, and the views are insane. Absolutely insane. So yeah, it's probably like a 3-hour hike, 3-4 hours. Should be nice. What do you think of the hike?
Great. Easy.
Yeah. Breakfast for champs. As a soccer
just like push you around and things like
oh my god, he'd go crazy.
wow, look at that light. Oh, this looks so much better.
Itadakimasu. Oh, I got a steak knife too.
Try some steak.
I'll have a bite, yeah. こういうの毎日食べるのね、アメリカで。
おいしい。
Gut gewürzt.
Good breakfast.
It's well seasoned. Alright, we made it into Zion National Park, going through the loop-de-loops of driving through the mountains right now. And we're going to... Oh, it's not bad. Emerald Pool Trail? Is that it? Alright, we're currently on our way to Emerald Pools. But it's a bit of a walk there, so we're trying to see if we can hitchhike. I look crusty as hell, don't mind me.
This is authorized vehicles only. So why didn't they say that on the website?
Why?
Why?
Why? So yes, now we're trying to see if we can hitchhike an authorized vehicle.
An authorized vehicle.
But at least, look, at least the hike is nice. Like, look at this. Yes, beautiful. Walking along the river. So it's not all bad.
Back straight in the straight line.
All right, we're about to start the Emerald Loop Trail, but the bridge is closed. So we're gonna have to cross the water in our bare footies. Yeah, all right.
You know, but the like, I don't know, this like cave-like structure kind of reminds me of us being in the cenotes in Mexico.
Oh yes, because we did that too. Ready for this view?
No, they're not.
Don't eat them. And caught on camera. All right, we finished the hike. Just made it back to almost our car, and we'll drive to our hotel. Probably take a chill for the rest of the day. Ending the scene with this. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Hello and welcome to day 5. Oh my god, these flies are crazy. Oh my goodness. So we are still in the Zion National Park. I'm doing a different trail than Joshy's doing. She's redoing the one we did yesterday a little bit, and then she'll do this one. She has more energy than I do, so she can do more hikes, and it's really nice. Like, I really enjoy hiking alone, so this is like ecstasy to me. But yeah, as you can see, the views are immaculate. The flies are vibing. And yeah.
Tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
I'll be good right now though. Ready to drive down to Lake Powell? Hasta acá cámara comenzar. What you got there?
With my phone in my pants.
Oh yes, looking cute.
Just all sausages.
Oh my god! This That's a lot of fucking sausages.
There's eggs under there too.
All right. Driving down to Lake Powell today. Do a tour, do the Antelope Canyon, and then
We're late, so we gotta hurry.
yeah, we gotta go. Ciao.
That article you read? Everybody else read that one too.
Are you ready?
Yes, very excited.
Joshua, don't jump, please. No, I don't believe that. I don't believe you can do that.
I'm making Bianca nervous because
Yeah.
I keep going to the edge.
It's like, should I? Nah. Should I? Oh, no. Alright, we just got to our hotel in... Where are we, babe?
Page.
Page. Yes, Arizona Page, where the horseshoe bend is. It's lovely. Did the lower Antelope Canyon, but we weren't allowed to film in there. And now we're having a very well-deserved cup of white wine in the jacuzzi. Yes, that is the vibe. That is the vibe.